Did you know that your LinkedIn profile can land you a job faster than your resume? Optimizing your LinkedIn profile increases the chances of you landing a job interview by 70%. Yes, you heard that right, 70%. So it's critical to optimize your LinkedIn profile. And in this video, I'm going to share how to optimize each section to set you up for success. As a recruiter myself, and having been on both the internal and external side of hiring for 15 plus years, there is a better way to landing your next great opportunity than just applying to hundreds of jobs. And that's leveraging LinkedIn to position yourself as the best candidate. And in each section of this video, you're going to be able to take it away, apply it to your profile, and land an opportunity faster. Let's go through each item on your LinkedIn profile step by step so you can fully optimize each section. Section 1, it's really not a section, but it's your profile photo. And this needs to just be professional. Please, please look approachable. That's number 1. I've heard so many times hiring companies, they'll research a candidate and they'll say to me, this person doesn't even have a picture on their profile, or this person doesn't really look approachable in their profile. The goal is smile if you can in your profile picture. That's approachable. Just have yourself, avoid having family. Family's important, but avoid having anyone else in the picture and just make it the best representation of yourself. If you're new to this channel, I'm Rita Baroody, career success coach, recruiter, and LinkedIn's top recruiting voice. I made this channel to empower you through your job search, to share the best strategies, and for you to land a job faster. Please subscribe, and I'll continue to add more value to you. Next, let's optimize your headline, and that's right underneath your profile picture. That's called the headline. Some insider knowledge here. When a recruiter starts searching for candidates like yourself on LinkedIn, they are looking for keywords in the headline. Keywords mean that there's some technical terms where they are gaining confidence that they are ready to reach out to you. So you want to position your headline as that quick selling point. You want to sell yourself in the headline, but you can't be overwhelming. Don't make it overwhelming. And I'll give you the reason behind this. Recruiters most likely won't spend more than a minute on your profile. They want to see that direct alignment. For example, you came to this video. Your goal was to optimize your LinkedIn profile. My promise to you is that I'm going to help you do so. And if you clicked on this video and you saw me talking about something else, you would not be very excited and you would not be watching. Now, when a recruiter searches for a candidate like yourself and they are searching for specific technical keywords they don't see on your profile, especially right in your headline, they might not scroll through your entire profile. So it's so important to optimize that section, again, right underneath your profile photo. And how can you do this? Certainly emphasize the technical terms that you see in job descriptions or what you're targeting, what your expertise is. You really want to ensure you emphasize that. And you want to emphasize maybe the level, maybe if you're a manager, a director, a VP, if you're working for a big company, it's recognizable by name. You want to emphasize that. If you are a great high performer, you might want to emphasize that in your headline. You just want to make it attractive. Again, it's your selling point to the recruiter. It's one of the first things they see when they click on your profile. So ensuring that is optimized will set you up for success for that recruiter to keep scrolling on your profile. If you're tired of getting rejected by employers and ready to land your next great opportunity faster, I've put together a free guide that walks you through the exact steps you need to take to land that job faster for you to be identified as that best candidate. Comment guide, and I will send you a direct link to grab it. Now let's go to your About section, which is right underneath your headline. There's a section called About, and this is where the recruiter is going to read more about you. They want to see something here. So don't leave it blank. Don't leave just one line. Don't put a few words. You want about 1 to 2 paragraphs. That should be the goal of who you are as a professional, not your whole personal life and your whole journey. It's really who you are now and what you are targeting and how you align to these jobs that you are targeting. Because the recruiter, again, they're searching for an open role in their company. Let's say, for example, finance manager. If they're searching for finance manager and they're not finding certain keywords in your profile, it's going to make it difficult for them to want to reach out. Your goal is to sell yourself in the about section as well. And how do you do this? You include more keywords that align to what you are targeting and what your expertise is. For example, finance manager, they might be an expert in financial modeling. They could be an expert in FP&A, financial planning and analysis. They could be an expert in strategy, in forecasting, budgeting. If I see a profile and I'm looking to hire a finance manager and they have all of these keywords, I'm excited to reach out. And that's how you want these recruiters to act. You want them to be excited, like jumping up and down, that they want to reach out to you because they are 100% confident that you could potentially be a good fit. That's the goal of optimizing your profile. Think through that one. How can you sell yourself and get that recruiter excited to reach out to you? Give them the information they want to see. Now let's go on to your experience section. This is the biggest mistake that I see job seekers do. They write their whole resume within their experience section, or they just don't have enough information in their experience section. They might put the company that they work at, their level, their title, but they don't include what they've actually accomplished, and what aligns to what they are targeting. And that's the biggest mistake you can make. You cannot just put a title, a company name, and expect a recruiter to want to reach out. Sometimes they still do. But if you have more information, you're going to increase the chances of them reaching out faster because, again, you're getting them excited. So how do you optimize? You ensure to include the best accomplishments you've had within your job, within each job that you've held. And you include your technical skill set as you are explaining what you have accomplished. You avoid writing paragraphs. Recruiters don't want to review and read through 2 paragraphs. They want quick bullet points, because they don't have, again, too much time. They have maybe a minute, maybe less, to review your profile. So capture the attention quickly and ensure the technical keywords are there. Quick story. I had one client of mine that came to me and was getting no recruiters reaching out. They had no interviews, and a big issue was the LinkedIn profile. When we started working together, within one day of using this proven strategy, recruiters were reaching out to him the next day. It took just one day. Would you like the exact roadmap to fast track your optimization? I just released my course, LinkedIn Secrets for Job Seekers. Comment below, connect with me on LinkedIn, and I'll give you a coupon code just for being a thoughtful viewer of my channel. Another critical item you should optimize, but I'll also tell you the mistakes that I see with this section. It's your overall skills. Now you can select skills in different parts of your profile, so be aware of that. One item you don't want to do though is select too many, where it almost looks like a block of text of skills that the recruiter has to read through. They don't want to read through 20 skills on your profile. They want to see the ones that matter the most. So think through that one. Don't overwhelm by selecting so many skills. They're just words. You want the right words instead. Use the strategy of being selective when you're selecting the skills, and do not select everything, especially the soft skills like communication or effective writing or anything that is just too broad. You want it really technical and associated with what you are targeting in your job search. Now, other items you want to ensure that you also optimize. Your education section, make sure you select your major. Very important. Recruiters could search by a major. So ensure you select the right one, such as if you have a bachelor's and master's in finance, they might search for finance, bachelor's of finance, and so forth. So just make sure that section is optimized. Then you can add additional sections to your profile. If you want to show your intangibles, your soft skills, if you do any volunteering, you have to actually add that section. It does not come as a default on LinkedIn. Just be aware of that. Now, let's walk through your open to work section. There is a setting on your profile that you could turn on your open to work. And what this will do is trigger recruiters and hiring companies to reach out to you. And for you to get more traction, get more visibility onto your profile. Recruiters will filter for this. So that way they know that you're actually open to opportunities. They might sometimes hesitate to reach out to someone if they don't have this setting on. So ensure that you optimize that. There's a max of about 5 roles you can select. There's an option to select remote, hybrid, and on-site. There are locations you can select. One mistake that I see professionals do here is that they don't max out on each setting of open to work within the titles that they can select. They don't select the right ones. Make sure you select the right ones. And they are not putting actual cities or metropolitan areas. They're stating one huge country. And recruiters, usually, they're not just looking by or filtering for a country. They are filtering by a specific location. So ensure that you have specific locations within your open to work and not just one huge country like United States or like Canada. It's going to get you a little lost in the searches. They are not going to search for a huge country. They're going to be more targeted. Now that you've optimized different sections of your LinkedIn profile, you also want to optimize your connections. It's part of your whole presence. It's part of your selling point to the hiring company, to the recruiter. And how can you do this? If you are targeting, for example, Amazon, and you want there to be a mutual connection between the recruiter and whoever is reaching out to you, how can you do this? Start connecting with those that work at Amazon. But don't just connect with anyone at Amazon. Go to your university, go to the alumni section, and start connecting with those that are in your field, your industry. Personalize the connection request and say, would love to connect, would love to hear about your success at Amazon. I'm also pursuing XYZ, and send the connection request. This will make your profile more attractive to a recruiter and hiring company, and it will increase the confidence that they will reach out. Let's say you have 20 connections right now. The confidence level of a recruiter and hiring company will not be as high. Number one, because they're not sure if this is a real person. They'd like to gain a little bit of confidence before reaching out. For example, if I'm searching for a great candidate like yourself and I see that someone has 10 connections, I'm hesitating to reach out. If they had 100 connections, I would say, okay, this person knows quite a few people in their industry. They are great at networking. They are actually a real person. Okay, I feel confident to reach out. So you want to optimize your connections. It's going to be another selling point to the recruiter, to the hiring company. Now, again, if you want the exact roadmap that have helped many of my clients land great opportunities faster, comment, connect with me on LinkedIn. I will give you a coupon code to my course, LinkedIn Secrets for Job Seekers. Again, it's going to give you the roadmap. There's no guessing. It's the exact strategy because time is your number one asset in your job search and honestly in your whole entire life. If you can optimize your LinkedIn profile faster and more efficiently, and you could leverage a proven framework and strategy, you will land a job faster. I've seen it happen thousands of times with my clients. And my clients are super happy when they don't have to waste more time. Now, in order to get the course again, please reach out, comment, connect with me on LinkedIn. Since you stayed till the end, I know you are very committed to landing the right job and that you are a great professional. And all you need is the right strategies to get you there faster and more efficiently. That is exactly why I made my course, LinkedIn Secrets for Job Seekers. I also have a full program where I help you optimize each step of the job search process. It's called Job Search Optimization. They are both available now, and I'm so happy to be able to extend my assistance to you and help you get there faster and help you be happier, because the job search process is about selecting the right opportunity that yields a great income, but also where you are happy. That's really the outcome that you want in your job search. Again, reach out to me on LinkedIn. I would love to connect and hear from you. And if you're not sure of how to grow your connections on LinkedIn and build your network faster, check out my next video.